friends. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review. So I love glitter nail polish and I don't love the way that I remove it. So I'm going to review what I use to remove it. Usually I just use an acetone remover with a little cotton ball, even though I'm trying to move towards more sustainable ways of life. That's a whole nother video. So I use the 100% acetone nail polish remover Dip It just because it's easier. So this is a very weird looking product. And I'm sure you've seen it before because different brands have different ones. I know there's one at Sally's, but this one's really, really cheap. And you get a lot of products. So it's just a whole, you stick your finger in there and there's these little silicone brushes and your nail just kind of, the friction and the acetone removes your nail polish. So I'm going to demonstrate. So I have a very chipped leftover Valentine's Day manicure. So I'm just going to dip this hand into here and just start scrubbing it a little bit. And the more you scrub it, the action of this doesn't look right, but it gets it off. This gets rid of like even the most stubborn glitter. I did use this also to remove gel extensions. So for my birthday back in September of last year, I got really pretty gel extensions, but I didn't like the process. I didn't like what it did to my natural nails because it destroyed them. I'm just not someone who wears fake nails, acrylics, or anything like that often. So I'm still doing the motion. It just looks weird on camera. I'm sorry guys, but this is what you're doing. There you go. So it's completely off. And then I follow up with some type of moisturizer because acetone obviously can be a little bit drying. So I'm going to be using Lush's Lemon Flutter Cuticle Butter. This is really moisturizing and nice. It sinks right into your nails. So as I was saying, I had a manicure for my birthday, gel extensions. I went to a popular like nail artist type of person. And first of all, it was crazy expensive. It was awful. And second of all, it looked nice, but it just doesn't fit my lifestyle. I work with animals. I work on a farm. I'm surprised it didn't get hurt. Like, I'm surprised it didn't get caught on something and I just, like, completely lost part of my real nail. But yeah, it was really beautiful, but then they all started to break eventually. They lasted a good amount of time, actually. And then I couldn't figure out how to remove them because I didn't want to go to the salon strictly for removing them. So I looked up methods on how to remove it. It was just very time consuming, so I got this instead. I grabbed a gentle nail filer and I filed, because I don't have an e-filer, like those electric ones. I really want to get one because I think that would help my gel manicures. I'm okay with gel manicures, not gel extension manicures. So I do gel at home a lot, or I used to. So anyway, I got like a normal filer and I just filed the tops of the acrylic gel extension part of it, and then I would soak it in here. It doesn't even have to be that long, and it was coming out a lot better than just trying to soak it in a bowl or well, other methods that I try, like aluminum foil. I mean, those methods definitely work. You just have to be patient, and I was not being patient, and it was just a hot mess. There might be some tiny little bits of residue depending on how you do it. I need to fix my cuticles. But as you can see, there's a glitter right there. But other than that, they're gone. So I just follow up with some butter and then I keep it, usually massage it in for 30 seconds. That always helps me on nail growth. But again, I'm not trying to keep my nails long because I work with animals all the time and there's a lot of bales of hay and straw and shovels and poop and just, it's a hot mess. So I love it. I love it though, don't get me wrong. But it's just hard to keep your nails long in that type of atmosphere. So there they are. So there are my nails all oiled up, and then I'm going to paint them and all that stuff. I recommend this one because Target is just affordable. I mean, if you have a Walmart, you could probably find it for the same price or cheaper. Walmart tends to be cheaper than like drugstores and stuff. But yes, this is not affiliated or anything. I purchased this with my own money. This has 9 fluid ounces of product, so it has lasted me quite a long time. I've actually been using this quite a bit since September, and we're just like a little bit halfway through the bottle. So if you made it to the end of this random video, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time with another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.